The SuperSport United will be on a mission to restore pride when they face Kaiser Chiefs in Saturday's Betway Premiership clash. The match comes just 6 days after United's heavy 4-0 defeat to Chiefs in the Carling Knockout Cup, a game that saw them reduced to 10 men following Moralo's second yellow card early in the second half. Currently, Matsatsa is on a challenging run with 3 straight losses across all competitions and no goals scored during this period. They find themselves in 13th place on the league table with only 4 points from 5 matches, a position they are eager to improve. Vincent Pule, a recent addition to United's squad, emphasized the team's determination to turn things around and said the main focus is redemption. We took a heavy 4-0 loss last time, so this game is about making a stronger start and converting the chances we create. Acknowledging Chiefs' solid system, Bole noted that while SuperSport's newer players are still adjusting, the team is committed to improvement and said they know their system well and we struggled with that, but we'll get better. With the pressure on, SuperSport United's focus will be on finding their rhythm, creating more opportunities, and most importantly, converting them to secure a much-needed victory. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.